Let's create a plan label showing the finished ground centerline elevation. We'll start by setting our layer current. We're going to use labels plan, and we'll set our current alignment. Road alignments, set current, pick a point. Next, we'll have to set a label style for creating those labels. Under ASC Plan Labels, Manage Styles for the drawing, there is a predefined style, elevation-centerline-pave, that's already created for your use. You can copy that to another style, change it as needed, but we'll make sure that's the current style. Click OK and go to Plan Labels, create a stem label. I'll pick a point on the alignment center line and pick a insertion point for the label and set the rotation. And that's what our current style looks like. I'll create another label now without creating the branch by making the insertion point and the reference point coincident. So my reference point, say, will be here, and I'll pick return when I'm prompted for the insertion point, and I'll rotate the label out. Now, we can modify the properties of the global label style or for the individual label style, and I'll do that for this label. So first I'll go to ASC Plan Labels and adjust label internal style and select the label, and instead of the finished surface suffix I'll change that to P equals. So under the elevations page I'll get rid of space FS and go to the prefix field and type P equals, and I'll also remove the truncation. So the label has been updated. Now another thing I can do is change the data reference point. Under Plan Labels, Adjust Label, Data Reference Point. Pick any part of the label, the stem, the text, the branch, and select a new location for the data reference point. And I'll choose the node of this design marker. And you can see our value changed. Now the reason it doesn't match the data design marker exactly is because if we were to display the vertical curves on the center line, you can see that this design marker is defined as a PVI and a vertical curve in this location. So the value we're seeing in the plan label is the actual pavement elevation, not the PVI elevation.